Good afternoon. I am Dr. Ankur Lakshmikant Rawal. I am consultant physician and practicing diabetologist at Dr. Ankur Rawal Hospital in Khambat. I am also empaneled with ONGC for more than 30 years. I am with Spandan Multi-Speciality Hospital since more than 10 years. Also attached to Cardiac Care Center as a diabetologist. I just wanted to give some practical tips for my patients and my caregivers, patients' caregivers rather. Just maintain ABC. A stands for A1C, B stands for blood pressure, C stands for cholesterol. What I mean by A1C, that is HbA1c. For the diabetic patients, the target should be less than 6.5. If patient is elderly, if patient is having some sort of the comorbid conditions, you can have the HbA1c less than 7. Make your diabetes just like your friend by keeping the HbA1c less than 6.5. The second target is on the blood pressure. Blood pressure, try to keep the target as less than 130/80. For most of my patients, this is a good achievable target. Once you achieve the target, do not stop your medicines without your physician's advice. So this is one take for my patients. And C stands for cholesterol. As we know, the bad cholesterol, that is the low density lipoprotein, should be less than 100 in most of the patient. It should be less than 70 for the diabetic patients as well as those who are having the cardiovascular risk. So ABC is for the all patients. Having said so, the lifestyle modification is just like Tisra Badshah. So lifestyle modification is always mandatory. तीसरा बादशाह हम है, तो lifestyle modification is probably the pivotal. What I mean by the lifestyle modification is to keep our weight as normal as our BMI wants. We want to avoid the fast junk food. We have to do the exercise, simple walking, running, cycling, swimming. This is really good. In most of my presentation, I used to speak, that is in Gujarati. I will repeat right now also. 40 પછી તું 40 મિનિટ 40 નહીં તો તું ક્યાંય 40 નહીં. I just repeat, the 40 પછી તું 40 મિનિટ 40 નહીં તો તું ક્યાંય 40 નહીં. So this is the importance of the exercise. Just I want to have say one word for the habits. You should say no for the smoking, never for smoking. Just like that tobacco, that also you should avoid in all form. The alcohol, again big no, never. And just like that, any other physical drugs, that should be no and never. So for my patients, the take home today are, one is the lifestyle modification, keep your weight neutral, have that good nutritious diet, start exercising from today if you are not doing, have the sort of say the habits far away from you, and keep your medicines as prescribed by the physicians, do the investigation as directed by them, keep your blood pressure, cholesterol and diabetes value as normal as you can. This is the way for your healthy life. Run for your heart, and heart will probably run for you forever. Thank you all of you.